Hi everyone, in this video we will study strings in Java. Now if you watched the previous videos in my playlist, you will see that I'm using JDoodle, the online Java compiler, to compile this code. Now strings in Java are very interesting and they are actually a class. So strings are a class and you declare objects of the string class. Now strings are very powerful in Java and you can do a lot of things using strings. Now, if you're new to Java and you don't know too much about classes, don't worry. It's very easy to actually use the string class. Now, what you do when you're using classes in Java is you actually declare objects of the string class. Now, declaring objects is very similar to actually declaring variables. There isn't too much of a difference. So, there are many methods in the string class, and all classes in Java have multiple methods in them, and what you can do is you can call these methods to achieve a lot of functions that you want to do. Now, in this video, it will not be possible to go through all the different methods that are in the string class. In fact, the string class is very huge and there are a whole bunch of different methods that are already coded in the string class. What you have to do is you have to know how to use those methods. As you learn more about strings in Java, you will come across newer methods and you will know how to use them. So that is all that you have to know about strings. You need to know that it's a string class, there are objects that you can declare of the string class, and there are a lot of inbuilt methods that you can use to actually achieve the task that you're looking for. So first, if you notice here, I have a class here, which I'm calling my class, and within this we have the void main method. Now within the void main method, I'm going to declare 3 strings and I'm going to do a few operations with those strings. These operations, once again, are no way exhaustive. There are a lot of different operations that you can do with the string class. So how do you first declare a string? Now what is a string? A string is a set of characters. Okay. So for example, here, string S1 is nothing but hello. Okay. So we have taken hello and stored it in S1. This is one way to declare a string without using the new operator. So you just have the string that you want, that is hello, put that within the quotes and just assign it to S1. Easy way to actually initialize a string. There are other ways also to initialize a string. We'll look at one more way, which is by using the new operator. Now strings is a class, so you can declare objects of the string class. Now I wouldn't go into the details of how you would do this. All that you have to know at this point is that you can use a new operator to actually also initialize S to the string. So what you do is you call string S2 equal to new string and you are passing world into this. Okay, so this is another way you can actually pass or assign world to S2. So now let's first print out these 2 strings. So in lines 10 and 11, we actually print out those 2 strings. Now you might want to add both these strings. That's something that you might want to do. So you have hello and world, and what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to add hello and world together, and I want to insert a space in between. Okay. To do that, what I do is I declare a new string S3. And what I assign S3 to is S1 plus, and you can see within double quotes there's a space, plus S2. So S1 space S2. Okay, take that and I assign that to S3. And then I'll print out S3. So this is, as you can see, it's very powerful. You can just add 2 strings just like that. This in a way that is very similar to adding 2 integers. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, there are lots of methods that are predefined in the string class. So you can call those methods for your convenience to do a task that you're interested in. Now let's just consider a simple method, which is to find out the length of a particular string. So what we do here is we have a new variable len, that is an integer, and what we're doing is we're assigning s1.length, okay, to len. So s1.length is a method that returns the length of s1, and we assign that to len, and then we just print len out. So len will have the length of the string S1. Okay, so now let's go ahead and execute this. So first we have printed out S1, so that's why we have S1 equals hello. That is printed out in line 10. Similarly, in line 11, we print out S2, we have world. Now S3 is S1, a space in between an S2, and then we print a S3 out, that is printed out in line 15 here. And you can see that it's hello world. Now, next in line 19, we have the length of S1. S1 is hello, so its length should be 5, and that is what we get here. So in this video, I just gave an overview of the string class and what you could possibly do with the string class, a flavor of what you possibly could do. There are a lot more things that you can do with the string class. It is a very powerful class and has lots of methods inbuilt, and as you learn more Java and gather more expertise, you will be able to do a lot more things with string. So this video was just to introduce strings to you, and I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.